I trimmed out this window sill, trim at the top. Got the butcher block kind of worked on. Got some pieces put together and sanded. I got the wall floated out a bunch. This had to be floated out a crap load because that's straight and the floor was ran. And as you can see, if I wouldn't have brought the board out, it would have had a gap, so I had to float it. Got all the floor patched up in here. All the holes are filled. Hallway looks immaculate. I got the start of some trim in here, as you can see. I got base cap on the bottom, base cap on the inside. It had to have trim because you can see raw wood. And then I got these started. I got plywood in this one, and this one got trimmed out. So now I can trim it out with like a trim on the outside, which is going to look nice. I got to do that top one still. And man, that's a bunch of stuff for one day for me and my old lady. I think